What can LinkedIn do for your business? Okay, so it is obvious by now that LinkedIn represents a major shift in what the social media revolution offered to the public, because it showed people that it was completely possible to create a social marketing platform that could be as user-friendly as it was serious. Not only because it got away with the trivial nature of every other social media platform and allowed people to use their social profiles as online resumes for free, because it also allowed companies to establish an online presence that didn't have anything to do with entertaining their social audience. And you can thank this to the fact that perhaps inadvertently, LinkedIn slowly became a sort of data-rich environment, a place containing the type of information about the modern job market that companies would have paid millions just to peek at. And that is perhaps why in 2016, Microsoft paid almost $27 billion for it. What does it say about its potential to drive business in? Let us provide you a few reasons why we think that your business will benefit from being on LinkedIn. You can use LinkedIn to hire the best talent on the net. LinkedIn is a great place for job seekers to find the dream job precisely because it is also a great place for businesses and companies of all sizes to attract the best talent and to recruit the best employees from the world's largest talent pool. Businesses can access recruiting tools that will allow them to post jobs to target the right candidates for the job offered, to find and source active as well as passive talent, and to seize the collection of skills offered by these talents to further build their brands. You can use LinkedIn as a marketing platform. And best of all, as a marketing platform to reach the largest professional audience in the world. You can easily reach the best fit for your business so you can further develop your brand, increase your visibility, and make new business connections possible. Marketing options on LinkedIn are pretty varied, and they include powerful promotional tools such as sponsored content that can reach people on any device, dynamic ads to market to professionals on the go, and display ads for those doing their job at the office, among others. You can use LinkedIn to sell. LinkedIn can increase your commercial potential by providing you with a platform that is designed to drive social selling efforts with real-time sales intelligence. And what this means is that LinkedIn is backing an entire platform with non-intrusive sales solutions. You can use LinkedIn as a learning platform. LinkedIn is a professionally oriented platform, which makes education its second nature. As such, you can use LinkedIn to keep your team's skill set up to date with current educational and developmental trends. The workplace learning tools offered by LinkedIn will help your team to develop two of the most valued skills in the current and future industries: people management and soft skills, which include creativity and communication. LinkedIn learning tools will also help your company to close the gap between soft and technical skills, which will help your company to become a business of the future. With over 10,000 online training and development courses available, LinkedIn is the perfect platform for ongoing professional development. What else can your business benefit from by being on LinkedIn? You can create shareable content that can help you connect with a wide professional audience. You can create content with the potential to add value to people's professional lives, which can easily create engagement and foster a following for your company on the platform. LinkedIn offers you multiple ways to feed information to its members by allowing you to post content using slide shares for business presentations, blog posts, infographics, webinars, podcasts, and videos. You will just have to choose which ones are the best fit for your audience. LinkedIn will not hinder your efforts to provide your audience with relevant content, and you will be able to post as many times as your content allows you to. In fact, LinkedIn encourages businesses to release quality content as much as possible. You can use your company profile to drive more sales for products and services that your company develops. You will just have to tell your potential customers about their benefits. You can use your business profile to differentiate yourself from your competition. Sharing news and information about your company culture on a regular basis can easily help you to establish a company persona. Your employees can use their LinkedIn profiles to enhance your company's visibility, as engaged and satisfied employees are a great way to communicate healthy social proof.